Hi friends, good evening to all. I am Ashwani Kumar and welcome to my channel. Actually, this video is a very good bumper offer to all the PhD aspirants who wants to do the PhD in the very good reputed colleges. So just like the NITs, that is National Institute of Technologies. So these colleges rankings are just after the IITs. So the candidates who are waiting for the PhD notifications and who wants to do the PhD with very good research work. So it is a very good opportunity here. The what we call stipend programs are also there for the UGC, and the non-UGC net candidates can also apply. So don't miss this opportunity. Hurry up. Why? Because the last dates are also soon, within 4 to 5 days, just like that. So from these five entities, almost 500 plus vacancies are there. That means vacant seats are there from the huge number of departments. I think almost all the departments may cover. So before going into the details and all, if you're planning to write the UGC NET 2020 exam, then here a very good news to you that the free online course or the free video lectures are available for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, from my YouTube channel, and the YouTube channel name is UGC NET teaching and research aptitude, and this channel link I am providing in the description box of this video. So before going into the details and all, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. And if this video is helpful to your friends or colleagues, then please share this video to them, because I think it will be helpful to most of the PhD aspirants with UGC NET or without UGC NET qualification. See, first we will see the NIT colleges. So first one is the NIT Warangal, and next one is the SVNIT Surat, and third one is the Vishvesvaraya National Institute of Technology Nagpur, and fourth one is the National Institute of Technology Silchar, and next one is the National Institute of Technology Tiruchirappalli. So total these are the five different types of NITs, and here I am not going into the in details and all, so you may just check down here the website links clearly. So through this website links, you may enter into your wanted NITs. So here the announcements are there. Important dates are 8th June. That means it is a National Institute of Technology, Warangal. So the important dates are 8th June, the announcement of inviting applications, and the last date is 3rd July. And the announcement of candidates called for the interview 15th July, and the date of interview is 27 to 31st July. And announcement of selected candidates 7th August. So the dates of reporting of selected candidates 25, 26, and 27th August. So here you may see that announcement of candidates called for the interview. That means you need not to expect the written test, maybe. So here the brochure for PhD admissions are there. So just go to the brochure, brochure of this PhD admission. I am not going to show all these details, but because here the five NITs I have to cover. And the next one is the SVNIT. So it is a website, that is svnit.ac.in. So after entering into this website, you just scroll down. Here you can see that online application and payment for admission to the PhD program, and the last date is extended till 30th June 2020. So click on this link, then you will be directed to the PhD notification details, everything here. Application fee is 1000 rupees and 500 rupees for the SC/ST, and few instructions are there, and the important note is also given, and a few appendix are also there. Please go through all these appendix clearly. So the last date is extended up to the 30th June 2020, right? So it is a PhD notification from the SVNIT Surat. And next, while coming to the VNIT Nagpur, so it is what we call a website link. And after coming into this one, here you can see that guidelines, rules, and regulations of the PhD for the full-time program. And information brochure is also provided for July 2020 sessions. And application form is also there, and the procedure to pay application form is also there. So coming to the information brochure, here in the information brochure, I will show you the dates. So what is the last date to apply this one? So here I think in the second page it's not mentioned, so we will see the important dates in this one. So in the last page here the important dates are there. The date of notification is 5th June, and the accepting application is 1st July, and the last date of receiving application is 30th July 2020. So it is the important dates of this NIT. Nagpur. And while coming to the fourth one, it is NIT Silchar. So it is the official website of this one. So after entering into this website, here you can see the PhD application form and advertisement of PhD for July to December 2020 session. So just click on that one. Then you will be directed to the notification regarding the PhD and NIT Silchar. So here you can see the departments. Of course, most of the departments will cover. And coming to the important dates, on or before 26th June by 5 o'clock. That means today is the last day. So it won't applicable. So I'm just removing this one. And the next one is NIT Tiruchi. So here the instructions are given. So after clicking on the instructions, then you will be directed to this information brochure. So these are all the details. And here the written test and interview is also conducting. Specializations are also given here. So while coming to the last date, so here total 146 vacant seats are there in this college, and here in this table the different departments, and based upon the the vacancies are given based upon the caste category also. So I may check down that all these different departments. So here the last date is given. The last date for submission of online application form is 30th June 2020, and here the application fee is also given, and the entrance test and tentative dates are given here. So these are all the total 4 different types of NITs. Actually one NIT, the date is today, so by today it is over. So these are the 4 NITs, that is Warangal and Surat and Nagpur and NIT Tiruchi, right? So the candidates who belongs to this eligibility conditions, please don't miss this opportunity, right? For more updates and notifications, don't forget to subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you.